So a music club has 15 members. Each member pays monthly due of this much. On the first day of the
Mhm.
month, 8 members paid their dues. Okay. The remaining members paid their dues on the second day of the month. How much money was collected in dues on the
Mm.
second day of the month?
102 USD.
Okay,
$102.20.
so there are total 15 members. 8 members have their paid on the first day. So that means 7 members will be paying their dues on the second
Mm.
day. And then each one is paying 1460. So 7 will pay 7 times 1460. All right.